What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up a .NET development environment on your machine with VS Code. So this is going to be useful for you if you want to develop .NET applications in C#, F#, or anything like that. And so the first thing we're going to need is the .NET SDK. So you can just get that from the Microsoft website. You can just Google it right here, and I'm just going to click on the second link here, and it'll ask me if I'll just download this one, .NET SDK, for whatever platform you're on. I'm on an x64 machine, so I'll be downloading that. And once you download this, you'll get a little installer. So it'll open up your file explorer. It's going to save that to my machine. I already have the SDK installed, so I'm not going to run that. But once you run that installer, it'll ask you a bunch of questions for installation, and after that you'll have the SDK actually set up on your machine. So next thing I'm going to do is set up .NET in VS Code because I like to use VS Code, and the C# dev kit extension has a ton of great features that you can use, and the IntelliSense is great. So if I go to extensions, I already have the extensions, but you can just search for C#. And there's an extension here called C# Dev Kit, and it contains IntelliSense, a lot of different nice things to use, and I already have it. So as long as you install this extension, you should be good. I believe this extension is contained within this extension, so this is all you need. It'll run. It should detect the SDK and runtime that you've installed from the Microsoft website. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and set up a project, test all the things out, and you should be good to go. There is one other extension that I like to use. It's for the .csproj or .fsproj files. It's called MSBuild Tools, I believe. It's somewhere in my installed extensions. So right here, MSBuild Project Tools, and this is what I have installed. It's got a lot of features too, and it works on your csproj files. So I'll go ahead and show you both these extensions by creating a project. .NET new test proj. Sorry, let me make this a console application. -o test proj that I'll be creating, and then let's do .NET new solution, and then add my project to my solution, test proj. Cool. Now I can go to my solution explorer, open the solution, and my project should be open. This means I'll get my C# dev kit features. You can see right here there's a ton of great hinting. I also have like all this decompilation stuff that I can look at from standard library, and there's the amount of features and analyzers in this kit is crazy. So you get a lot of great features. For example, declare types and namespaces. I got that. So the next thing I wanted to show you is the MSBuild tools. So I create a new item group. That's that. I have all of these options to choose from. So this is really nice autocomplete, especially since a lot of these things, when you need to use them, are really verbose. Like I really don't want to type compute intermediate satellite assemblies depends on. So this is an amazing extension too. I was searching for it for a while. But yeah, those are the two extensions I use for developing .NET applications in VS Code. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.